Theories in action, direct instruction. The Wilson Reading Program is a structured literacy program for students that require direct phonics instruction due to a language-based learning difficulty like dyslexia. The Wilson Reading System is designed as a Tier 3 program for students in 2nd through 12th grade who have not made sufficient progress in their current intervention or instruction, require a multisensory approach, and benefit from direct instruction. Based off phonological coding research and the Orton-Gillingham principles of reading instruction, the Wilson Reading System teaches the structure of the English language through systematic decoding and encoding skills. Each phonics skill is presented in a systematic manner that requires active engagement from the students through the multisensory practice of skills. Direct instruction consists of 4 main principles: presentation phase, practice, assessment and evaluation, and monitoring and feedback, which occurs throughout the instruction. The Wilson Reading System is a prime example of direct instruction. When teaching a specific phonics skill, the teacher activates prior knowledge by reviewing the previously learned skill, explains the objective of the lesson, and why it's important for reading. Then, the teacher explains the phonics skill and probes with questions and models and engages students to respond. Then, the teacher takes the students through guided practice where students practice reading words with the phonics skill using a multisensory approach. The students practice independently, and all the while the teacher collects data and evaluates learning. Throughout the lesson, the teacher provides corrective feedback and many cues on segmenting words into sounds. Another theory that could be used in this program is the experiential approach to learning. In the Wilson reading lesson, students can build words using magnetic letter tiles so they're actively engaged in experiencing how the letter sounds fit together to form a word. The teacher can dictate words, and the students can generate words based off the current skill. For example, the teacher might ask a student to think of the word with the ILD closed exception glued sound and build it with magnetic letters. This frames the experience for the students since they are learning to decode closed exceptions. The experiential learning approach gives the students an authentic experience with self-direction of building words that they will use in their future reading and writing. This demonstrates the second principle in experiential learning, activating the experience. The learner makes decisions and practices in an authentic learning environment and tackles a problem with optimal difficulty. Unexpected outcomes of building a nonsense word creates a strong stimulant of learning, and this allows for reflection, the third principle of experiential learning. Students will remember a decoding nonsense word because it's usually comical sounding. The design of a direct approach of instruction fits well with the Wilson Reading System. Since this reading program is designed for students struggling with reading, it requires a direct approach to teach all the necessary phonics skills to create fluent readers. Each step of this reading program presents new skills for which the students have already learned the prerequisite skills. Hewitt et al. 2009 describes this as an effective type of instruction that contains a specific curriculum as a stairway. Overall, the Wilson Reading System is a prime example of direct instruction.